Hello everybody, today I am going to talk about bees and honey. I am bee. Bees are small. We fly from flower to flower to drink nectar from flower. Then we go back to our beehive and make honey. Inside the beehive, we make honey sweet, sticky, and yummy. People eat honey on bread, in tea, or with pancakes. Bees are very important because we help flower grow, and we give you pure natural honey too. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am a sheep and my name is Advik from K3A. I am a kind and gentle farm animal. I live on a big green field called a pasture where I eat fresh grass and play with my friends. I love tasty green grass. My body is covered with thick soft wool that keeps me warm. The farmer shears my wool to make warm clothes, sweaters, and blankets. And when my wool grows back, I become soft and fluffy again. The farmer takes good care of us, of me and my friends, and we provide them with milk and wool. I say ba, ba, talk to my friends. My baby's called a lamb. Lambs are small and cute and love to run and jump around their mothers. The farmer takes good care of us and keeps us safe on the farm. I am helpful to the farmer and kind to everyone. Thank you.
I am a cow. I belong to a herd of cattle. My name is Dylan from K3A. I am a farm animal. I live on the farm in a barn. I love eating fat grass and resting in the field. I give the farmer beef that is used for cooking and making delicious food. Some products that is made from beef are sausage, ham, and burgers. My skin is used for making leather bags, shoes, and belts. Thank you. I am a goat. My name is Elijah from K3A. I am a farm animal. I live in a farm in a goat house. I love to eat grass and climb on rocks. I gave the farmer milk used for drinking and making cheese. My meat is also used for cooking. Thank you.
Boo! Hello everyone, my name is Jack from K3A. I live on the big happy farm. You know, cows eat all day long. Our favorite food is yummy green grass. The best part of being a cow is giving yummy healthy milk. The farmer comes every morning and every evening to milk us. You can use the milk to make cheese, butter, and ice cream. The milk helps you grow big and strong, so don't forget to drink your milk. Thank you.
Hello, I am a pig. My name is Leo from K3A. I am a farm animal. I live on the pigsty. I like muddy puddles and cool water. I have a round and snow tail, curly tail. I say oink oink. I give the farmer pork. There are many products made of pork, like sausages, ham, and bacon. Thank you for listening. Hello, I am a turkey. My name is Markin from K3A. I am a farm animal. I live in the farm in the turkey house. I eat corn and grains. The farmer uses my meat for food, like turkey sandwiches. I have a lot of proteins and vitamins and minerals. My meat is healthy and yummy. I am a thankful turkey.
Hello, I am a duck. My name is Pat. I live happily on a big green farm with many other animals. Every morning I like to swim in the cool pond and look for food. The farmer takes good care of me and my friends. Sometimes people use my meat to make tasty meals. My eggs are delicious and healthy. I am proud to be a helpful farm animal. I am a chicken. My name is Rainy from K3A. I am a farm animal. I live in the farm in a coop. I like to eat corn, grains, and vegetables. I can produce over 200 eggs per year. Eggs can be used for cooking and making many kinds of food. So chicken is one of the most common farm animals in the world. I am a rabbit. My name is Bashi from K3A. I am a farm animal. I live on a farm in a cozy rabbit hutch. Love to hop around, to grassy fields and eat fresh carrots. I have a long ears and a fluffy tail. People love my suffer. It can be used for warm clothing.